How to create any shortcut of any app in desktop. So let's get started. So let's say I want to create a shortcut of my Chrome application on my desktop. So what I will do is just searching for that particular application just like this. So once I search in for that, I'll just head over to this right section and click on this open file location from over here. So now all you have to do is just right click on that particular desired application and click on this show more option and simply click on this send to button over here. And you can see there's an option called desktop create shortcut. So if you are using Windows 11, just like this, just press on that, and just like that, as you can see, my new Google Chrome shortcut has been successfully created. So that's exactly how you do it, guys. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you on the next one.